Welcome back to your Finance Lab. Today we're diving into one of the most sought-after goals in personal finance, achieving financial independence. Financial independence means having enough income to cover your living expenses without relying on a traditional job. Whether you want to retire early, travel the world, or have the freedom to pursue your passions, financial independence opens up a world of possibilities. In this video, we'll break down the 10 strategies that self-made millionaires and financially independent individuals use to reach this goal. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. These are tried and true methods that take time and commitment, but ultimately lead to financial freedom. Stick around until the end because we'll reveal a bonus strategy that can boost your journey to independence. Let's get started. Create a clear financial plan. The first step toward financial independence is to have a clear, actionable financial plan. A plan is your roadmap, guiding your decisions on spending, saving, and investing. This plan should outline your financial goals, the lifestyle you want to live, and a timeline for achieving those goals. It's also helpful to break your goals down into smaller milestones, so you can track your progress along the way. Financially independent individuals don't just drift from paycheck to paycheck. They plan each financial move carefully, knowing that every dollar saved or invested today brings them closer to their ultimate goal. Actionable tip. Start by writing down your top financial goals and calculating how much you need to achieve financial independence. Break this down into short-term and long-term objectives and review your progress monthly. Build an emergency fund. Before diving into complex investments or big financial moves, it's essential to have an emergency fund. This fund is your safety net, giving you the confidence to make decisions without fear of unexpected expenses derailing your journey. Life is unpredictable, and having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in an easily accessible account can prevent setbacks. For those aiming for financial independence, this fund allows them to focus on wealth-building strategies without worrying about minor emergencies disrupting their finances. Actionable tips: start by setting aside a small amount each month into a separate account until you reach your target. Automate your savings to ensure consistency. Develop multiple income streams. Financial independence often requires more than just a single salary. Creating multiple income streams reduces your financial risk and allows you to grow your wealth faster. This could mean starting a side hustle, investing in rental properties, creating passive income streams, or even pursuing freelance work in your spare time. Take self-made millionaires, for example. Most of them don't rely on a single income source. They diversify through investments, business ventures, and other creative means to ensure they have multiple income streams supporting their lifestyle. Actionable tip: evaluate your skills or interests and brainstorm ways to monetize them. Start small, whether by selling a product online, offering consulting services, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. Live below your means. A key principle of financial independence is spending less than you earn. By living below your means, you can save and invest more aggressively, accelerating your journey to independence. While it might seem simple, this habit requires discipline, especially in a world of consumerism. Living below your means doesn't mean depriving yourself. It means making intentional choices about spending, focusing on what brings value, and cutting out unnecessary expenses. Many financially independent people live frugally during their wealth-building years to enjoy greater freedom later. Actionable tip: track your spending for a month and identify areas where you can cut back. Set a realistic budget that prioritizes saving and investing over discretionary spending. Invest consistently. Consistent investing is one of the most effective ways to build wealth over time. By investing regularly, you benefit from compound interest, which helps your money grow faster. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound, turning small contributions into substantial wealth. Look at any self-made millionaire, and you'll find that they started investing as early as possible. They understand that wealth isn't built overnight, but through consistent, disciplined investing. Actionable tip: if you're new to investing, start with a low-cost index fund or mutual fund and set up automatic monthly contributions. This way, you're consistently building wealth without needing to time the market. Control debt. Debt can either be a tool for growth or a major obstacle, depending on how it's managed. Financially independent individuals minimize or eliminate high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, which drains their finances. They might use debt strategically, such as taking a mortgage for rental properties, but they avoid consumer debt that hinders their ability to save and invest. Debt control also means not falling into lifestyle inflation, where you spend more as you earn more. By keeping expenses low and avoiding debt, you'll have more resources to put toward your financial independence goals. Actionable tip: focus on paying off high-interest debt as quickly as possible using methods like the avalanche or snowball strategy. Avoid taking on new debt unless it's for a high-value investment. Maximize retirement accounts. Retirement accounts, like a 401k or IRA, offer tax advantages that can help your money grow faster. By maxing out these accounts, you not only save on taxes, but also build a solid foundation for financial independence. In the US, for example, 401k contributions are tax-deferred, allowing your investments to grow without being taxed until you withdraw them. The tax benefits alone make these accounts a powerful tool for building wealth. Many financially independent individuals prioritize maximizing their retirement contributions, especially if their employer offers a matching program. Actionable tip: if you're not already contributing to a retirement account, consider opening one and setting up regular contributions. If you already have one, aim to increase your contributions gradually until you reach the maximum allowable limit. Invest in real estate. Real estate can be a powerful asset on the road to financial independence. Rental properties, for instance, can provide steady cash flow, appreciation, and tax advantages. Many financially independent people leverage real estate to generate passive income, allowing them to reduce reliance on traditional jobs. Real estate investment does come with its risks, so it's essential to do your research and understand the market. However, when done correctly, real estate can accelerate your financial independence journey. Actionable tip: if you're new to real estate, consider starting with a small rental property or REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust, to gain exposure to the market without committing to a large upfront investment. Develop valuable skills. High-income skills are a direct path to increasing your earning potential. By developing valuable skills, you can command higher salaries, find better job opportunities, or even start a high-paying freelance career. Skills like coding, data analysis, project management, and sales are in high demand and can open up more opportunities. Financially independent individuals often invest time and money into learning skills that increase their earning potential. They understand that the more valuable their skills, the more income they can generate. Actionable tip: identify one or two high-income skills that align with your career goals. Invest in courses, certifications, or hands-on experience to improve those skills and make yourself more marketable. Track and adjust your progress. Achieving financial independence is a long-term goal, so it's essential to track your progress regularly. By reviewing your financial plan, income, expenses, and investments, you can make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Many financially independent individuals do quarterly or yearly reviews to ensure they're moving in the right direction. Tracking also keeps you motivated, as you can see how far you've come. When you celebrate small wins like hitting a savings milestone or paying off debt, you reinforce your commitment to the journey. Actionable tip: schedule regular check-ins with yourself, monthly or quarterly, to review your finances. Make adjustments if needed and celebrate any progress you've made towards your goals. Bonus strategy: embrace financial education. Knowledge is one of the most powerful tools in achieving financial independence. Educating yourself about personal finance, investing, taxes, and economic trends can help you make better decisions. The more you know, the more control you have over your financial future. Financially independent people often read books, attend seminars, or even work with mentors to deepen their understanding of money management. By continuously learning, they're able to adapt their strategies as their wealth grows. Actionable tip: make it a habit to learn something new about finance each month. Start with classic finance books, follow financial blogs, or even take online courses to expand your knowledge. Financial independence is not an overnight achievement. It's a marathon. built on consistent habits and smart decisions. By implementing these 10 strategies, you're laying the groundwork for a life of freedom, stability, and control over your finances. Which of these strategies will you start working on today? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Your Finance Lab, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more financial tips and strategies. Remember, the path to financial freedom is a journey, and every small step you take today brings you closer to that goal. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.